New Justin Bieber single just dropped. It's called Lonely, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the intro and verse are made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a G major chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And you're going to finger pick the low E, D, G, and B strings all at the same time 4 times. Next is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And you're going to do the same finger picking pattern that we did on the G major chord. And then last is a B minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And you're going to finger pick the A, D, G, and B strings all at the same time 8 times. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now the pre-chorus. This also starts on the G major chord, and we're going to do the same finger picking pattern that we did during the intro and verse. Next is an A major chord. So you're just going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to finger pick the A, D, G, and B string all at the same time, another 4 times. Then we're going to go to an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And you're going to finger pick the low E, D, G, and B strings all at the same time 4 times. Then we're going to go to the G major chord again and do the same finger picking pattern again. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. So the chorus uses the same chords as the pre-chorus, but we're going to strum each of them once, and it sounds like this. And that's it for Lonely. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.